Welcome back to Rolling Legends, where we bring you the latest, greatest, and most legendary rides on the road. Today, we're taking a close look at the all-new 2026 Honda Civic, a name that's been synonymous with reliability, performance, and everyday practicality for decades. But this year, Honda has taken things up a notch and then some. Let's talk design first. The 2026 Civic continues the sleek and mature styling introduced in recent generations, but now with sharper lines, a lower stance, and a more refined front fascia. The LED headlights are thinner and more aggressive, the grille has been slightly reshaped for a sportier presence, and around back, the taillights are slimmer, with a new LED signature that looks stunning at night. Honda clearly wanted to keep the Civic looking clean and modern while giving it just the right amount of attitude. Under the hood, we're seeing some familiar powertrains, but with a few important updates. The 2.0-liter naturally aspirated engine is still here for the bass trims, but it's been retuned for better fuel efficiency and smoother throttle response. For those wanting more punch, the 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder remains an option, now with slight power gains and reduced turbo lag. And yes, the Civic C and Type R variants are still part of the family, with the Type R pushing out even more horsepower, rumored to be over 330 horses, making it the most powerful Civic ever made. But what really sets the 2026 model apart is its technology. Inside, you're greeted with a sleek digital cockpit. A new 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster comes standard on higher trims, and the center touchscreen is now a crisp 12.3 inches with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The infotainment system is faster, more intuitive, and integrates seamlessly with your smartphone. Honda's also improved the cabin materials, adding soft touch panels, real stitching, and a more upscale layout that genuinely competes with some luxury brands. Safety remains a priority with the latest Honda Sensing Suite. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic jam assist, and a new 360-degree camera system. There's also a driver attention monitor and improved pedestrian and cyclist detection. Whether you're commuting or heading out for a spirited drive, the 2026 Civic has your back. Now, let's not forget the drive itself. The Civic's chassis has always been one of the best in the segment, and for 2026, Honda has fine-tuned the suspension for even better handling and ride comfort. The steering feels tight and responsive, and the road feedback is exactly what you'd expect from a car with performance DNA baked in. It's still fun, still engaging, and still very much a Civic, but smarter and more refined than ever. So, is the 2026 Honda Civic worth your attention? Absolutely. Honda has managed to evolve this icon without losing what made it great in the first place. Whether you're a daily driver, a tech lover, or a driving enthusiast, the new Civic has something for you. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our next ride. Catch you in the next one.